Hi, this is the market outlook for the week ending Friday the 8th, if I'm not mistaken. We've had finally some breathing on the market now reaching about the mid 27, yeah, about 2750. It didn't look like it was a important resistance area. It could have gone up to the 2800 area. That said, profit taking was long overdue, and this may have been due to the earnings season more than technical factors. So we now have a repeat of the sell signal, so we are definitely going to congest at least. This moving average is still blue, so of course, even though this type of moving average reverses quickly, it shows that the buying momentum is not over yet. I would think, considering the huge move we've had since Christmas, that we see that on a daily chart, the resilience area is still around 2650, and the first, I would say, salient support level is just around 2590, maybe 2600. So we may see some congestion and even an attempt to go to what would be the natural resistance level right now. So this breakout from the trend line from recent highs has been broken. We are still in a breakout phase. We may test the last strong resistance now that would be turned as support. It hasn't been tested quite yet. It would be in the 2675 area. The lows, recent lows, were not that far, about 2650, 2680. So we may see a little bit of a more retracement, congestion, but it's way too early to think that the bullish momentum is over. If we look at an hourly chart, a lot of indecision here. There's actually even a buy signal, and we see that the range is now very tight on an hourly basis. Same strong support, 2580, very strong support. I mentioned that we have a first test level around 2625, then 26, 2580, 2575, and plus minus 5 points or 10 points even. If we were to break this, we may, so I would look at a return to the recent highs, 27, 35, 40, 45, as a test to maybe break out and go further up to the resistance area I've just mentioned. So now I believe we'll have a directionless market for the next couple of days, and probably some movement late in the week with February expiring and maybe some important economic news. I don't think there will be any, really. In terms of volatility, we are in a mild contango. If we look from Feb to June, when you have about three-quarters of a point, not even a point. So it's a mild contango, pretty flat for the next few months. So it's still pretty fickle. It could go back into flattening or even backwardation within a day or two. Well, there's not much more to say about this market, so I will now record the weekly recap on the Rhino.